This month's DIY project is geared towards all of the upcoming high school and college graduates. Create this easy graduation gift to commemorate your graduate's accomplishments. To make your own, you need an 8x10 picture frame, black adhesive vinyl, a cutting machine or scissors, and transfer tape. Create your design online or in your favorite editing program and cut it out. Once the design has been cut out, remove the excess material. Use your transfer tape to help apply the design to the glass portion of the frame. This will make for a wonderful keepsake. It's easy to hang or display on any work desk. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.